You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people do ask around, like, can you rent a car for Uber? Yes, you can rent a car for Uber, but depends on your location and Uber's rental partner. So watch the video to the very end because of the mechanic mistakes, because I'm going to walk you through ways to rent a car for Uber. And also hit the subscribe buttons because actually helps me out. So let's get started. So ways to rent a car for Uber. The first option is to join the Uber rental program. For that, you can also use the Uber partners with a rental companies like Hertz and Getarounds with Halvis. And also you can rent weekly or monthly and start driving for Uber immediately. And also no long-term commitment, but cost vary. And also how to rent through Uber. You can also open the Uber driver app, then go to the vehicle option, then select rent a car, then choose a rental partner and follow the steps. And also you can also use the rental companies that works with Uber, like Artis, Halvers Enterprises, and High Car with Gitrand offer Uber ready rentals, and insurance and maintenance are usually included. You can also get a car at a cost range from 200 to 500 per week, varies by location, and rent from a private owners like get round, which allows you to rent a car from an individual. And also flexible price can be cheaper than a big rental companies, and some cars comes with pre-approved for Uber's Lyft. And also here's the requirements to rent a car for Uber, which is a wide driver's license, a very valid driver license, and at least 25 to 25 years old age, varies by complaints, and also clear driving record. With Uber approved car must meet Uber's vehicle requirement. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.